came out to the property today to work on framing, which seems to be our ongoing project of the year. And we just arrived. And what you doing, Bradford?
Putting a plug in my tire.
Why?
So my tire had a screw in it yesterday or the day before, and I put a plug in it, but apparently I did not put it in very well because it's got 14 pounds of air and it had 15 pounds of air at the house. So,
But wait, listen, I'm be really quiet. Listen. You can actually hear the air escaping the tire at a very rapid rate. So, even the best laid plans. However,
it'll be fine.
If you're a Bradford, you're prepared with a pump and plugs and tools.
You can come down here, you can hear it come out.
Okay, listen. Oh, there it is. Right there. Okay.
I knew I didn't get that plug in deep enough the other day.
Oh, listen to that. That is
the sound of failure.
I was going to say failure, but that's not what you want to hear when you're out in the country on a Sunday.
We got the technology, though. I don't know if anyone, well, I'm sure someone has, but I don't know how many of y'all have put a plug in a tire, but it's really not that easy.
I've never put a plug in a tire. Personally.
Right?
Yep.
So I'm going to read the instructions.
I am so proud. I'm going to close up. A man reading the instructions. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is.
So I've seen it done a bunch of times. I've plugged ATV tires. I think I've plugged tractor tires. I might plug truck tires, but not this one. I always have trouble with pulling out the needle. I don't leave the plug in deep enough, and that's what happened here. The plug isn't in deep enough. Do not twist the needle when pulling out.
Were you being a twister?
No, last time I didn't make that hole big enough, and I couldn't get all the plug in.
Oh, listen to that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Go get a hammer.
So I think it's obvious that Bradford likes DeWalt.
Obvious what?
That you like DeWalt. You're a fan.
Well, I don't know how. I have to go next door and get air, 'cause I don't know if that thing will go up to 50 pounds. Let's see.
Bella's family, our neighbors, are awesome. Helped Brad out of a couple of sticky situations.
All right.
Okay, hold on.
Push it in, pull it out. That's what they say.
Let's see. There's that. No twisting.
No twisting. I think it's in deep enough.
Is it supposed to have little bunny ears?
Yeah. I mean, if that was doubled over like that, and there's that much sticking out.
There's no air sound, so that's lovely.
Right?
Yep.
We'll see. Okay, last step. Trim off this. Oops. Trim off this excess. Sticky, but it's coming. There we go. I don't hear anything. Be good.
Crisis averted.
All right, that was unexpected, but I think we've recovered from it. We can get on with our day.